Imagine Pal's alphabet series. Let's learn to write letter A. We have marked with numbers, arrows, and dots how to write letter A. Now let's get started together. To write the big letter A, follow the arrows and draw a slanting line from the top. Next, go to the top again and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side. Now, let's come a little below and draw a sleeping line across. Follow the arrows again. Wow! You just learned to draw a big letter A. Now, let's learn how to draw a small letter A. Follow the arrows and draw a curve. From where the curve starts, draw a standing line downwards. Yay! You just learned to draw small letter A. Wasn't that easy? Join us to learn how to write letter B in our next video. Bye-bye!